What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will share you the news about the Binance that had been placed the ban for the Ontario Canadian Binance users. In this video I will share you good news about Binance that people are living in the Ontario, Canada, they can continue using the Binance application or Binance exchange. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So through this video, I will share you the good news about the Binance has been lifted the ban that they placed for the Ontario Canadian Binance users. So here I will read you the news. So if you are living in Canada, you might receive the email on your email address. Binance to continue operating in Ontario after cooperating with Canadian regulators. The crypto exchange originally told its users in Canada's most populous province they would need to close their accounts by December 31. Here is a cryptocurrency exchange. Binance will continue operating in Ontario after successfully working with Canadian regulators, the company told users in an email on Wednesday. Binance had told users in June it would be pulling out of Canadian most populous province following actions by the Ontario Securities Commission OSC against other crypto exchanges accusing them non-compliance with regulations. Binance said Ontario users should close their accounts by December 31. However, as a result of ongoing and positive cooperation with Canadian regulators, Binance in Canada has been successfully in taking its first steps on the regulatory path by registering in Canada as a money service Binance with Fintech. Binance told its users in Ontario on Wednesday. Fintech is Canada's national financial intelligence agency. This registration allows us to continue our operations in Canada and resume business in Ontario while we pursue full registration, Binance added. So this is a good news for the Binance users, those who are living in Ontario, Canada. So after this, their account will be safe and they can continue trading, buying, selling cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and if you enjoyed this news about the Binance decision, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching. God bless you. I'll catch you in the next one.